My name is Lisa Trout. I have been a member of Alliance for going on 30 years. And this interview is probably more from the heart. If I cry, just forgive me. I have been a widow for 14 years. And when this transpired, Alliance was very good to me. We had some financial struggles to get through with closing all the paperwork that went with him. Got 4 months behind on my mortgage, which y'all handled, and they worked with me. We got all caught up, but in no way did they say, well, that's not going to work, or we can't go that long. They worked. So I'm very, very grateful. I grew up in Oton, Texas, so a small bank was in my world. My daddy could walk in and get a loan without even signing. Those times have come. I wanted something that I could walk in and they know my name. I wasn't just one of millions of patrons across the board. I needed that one-on-one. And y'all were just very small when I started. You've grown, but that hasn't changed the personality of the bank, the integrity of the bank, the one-on-one. People buy from people. People bank with people. And I think I could walk in here and, if I needed help, they would be there to do as much as they could. Well, both my kids were, my son, we opened a checking account here when he was 12 years old. And my daughter's same thing. We've been here from that length of time. They knew what we went through. They knew how y'all helped. And I said, don't go anywhere else. You have to be somewhere when you call them and say, I need to see a loan officer or something. My son got a car loan from here, and they went after him. He had it somewhere else. They called and said, hey, we can help you. Same thing at my daughter. Who does that? A large bank, then you're just a number, are not going to do that. I know it's business, but they didn't have to do that. And they did. They saved him money and they saved her money. So I will come in here for a loan next month for a car. It'll be important that I come here and not through a car agency. My business is here. I paid my house off here. So, and when I did that, they went beyond to get me the title and stuff. They didn't have to. They just did it because they did it. So, it's personal. But through all this, they just stuck with me. And I think a lot of it was because they knew me. I can walk into any alliance, thankfully, and they know me. It's just personal. You need a bank to be personal. And did I choose a credit union because of that? Might not have, but I'm extremely grateful I did. And so even to this day, if I call and say I need this, I've had accounts that are been, hacked, and I've had a grandson that decided to get into my account, not purposely, he's only 7, and they just worked with me. We got it done. It was smooth. I've never not been able to call here and get the attention I need. Most of my heart is here because of my husband's passing, but that made me be a member. All my family is a member here. So I'm forever grateful for that.